What if the thing you do every night, without effort, without control, could make you money? Not a side hustle, not a business, not even a skill, just dreaming. In this future, dreams aren't just random flickers of sleep. They're streamable, saleable, searchable. Your subconscious becomes a studio, and imagination, your income. The tech? Already here. Scientists decode basic dream visuals from brain scans. Neural bands detect REM spikes. AI fills the blanks. Patterns become pictures. Scenes become simulations. Dreams become videos. You wake up, check your dream dashboard. 7 minutes of vivid content recorded. You tag it, Flying City plus Lost Childhood plus Talking Crow. Upload. It's live in seconds. Views start climbing. A comment appears. Beautiful. It felt like my own grief. Another asks, is the crow your father? You're not sure. The AI suggests monetization. Projected revenue, 480 credits. You click Monetize. Elsewhere, a girl in Brazil dreams of a city made of sound. A music artist buys it for a video. It goes viral. She earns more in a night than her parents do in a month. Dreams become content. Your subconscious, your brand. Sponsors bid for categories. Fantasy, horror, erotica, post-apocalyptic nostalgia. Soon, dream channels emerge. People subscribe to your sleep. You become an influencer without ever being awake. But here's the twist. You don't control dreams. You can't reshoot a nightmare. So when trauma goes viral, it sells. A man relives his worst childhood memory. Millions watch. He earns $12,000 overnight, but can't sleep for weeks. The ethics blur. Can you sell someone else's face if they appeared in your dream? Can your partner sue for dreaming about betrayal? One court rules, dreams are private, but shared dreams are public domain. Suddenly, imagination has terms and conditions. Then comes AI-generated dreams. You pick from trending genres. Forbidden romance plus retro dystopia. The headset injects sound cues, memory flashes. You sleep, you dream. Perfect structure, perfect monetization. You wake up, empty. Soon, a new class rises. The dream rich. Premium sleep tech, 10 hours of optimized REM. Editors post-process nightmares into viral hits. They no longer create while awake. Sleep is work. But not everyone dreams equally. Those in poverty sleep through noise, fear, stress. Their dreams are fragmented, not marketable. Sleep becomes an economic divide. And yet, there's still magic. A boy in Uganda dreams of flying across stars. He shares it. It inspires a filmmaker. They collaborate, it wins an award. A dream-born masterpiece, not made of data, but from somewhere deeper. So the question isn't just, what if dreams could be monetized? It's, would you sell your dreams if you knew you might never dream the same again? Would you stream your fears for income? Would you turn rest into labor?